Hello students, good morning. Let's start today's class. Dear student, we are studying the lesson chapter 3 India and its neighbors. In this lesson, we saw about the location of India, physical features, different types of physical features. As we discussed about, India is called a diverse country. India is a diverse country and diversities are there in different forms. And when we talk about the physical features of India, in this sense, in physical features, India is also diverse country because in India different types of physical features are there. The northern mountain, the great Indian desert, the coastal plains, the northern plains, the peninsular plateau and islands group. So different part of India have different features of land. So and after that we have already discussed about political division. In this section we saw two types of government, central government and state government. Central government runs from the capital of India, New Delhi, and state government run from all the states of India. So this is these are the form of government, the set of the government, and both the government are chosen by the people of India. As we know, India is a democratic country, and in democracy, people and citizen have the power to choose the government. And then after we have the topic unity in diversity. Dear student, we will see it again because it is the main characteristics of Indian culture. And as I told you before, it is the most important Indian characteristics of Indian culture, unity in diversity. If anybody asks to you what is the main characteristics of Indian culture, your answer should be what? Yes, unity in diversity. Today we will see how there is unity in India after having a lot of diversity. So let's start, dear student. Unity in diversity. India is called the land of unity in diversity. Land of unity in diversity. How? There is diversity in terms of landforms, language spoken, festivals celebrated, clothes worn, and food eaten. Yes, my dear student, when we talk about the landform, I already told you different types, different parts of India have different landforms. So diversity in terms of landform is there. And when we talk about language spoken, 28 states are there in India, and each and every state have some special characteristics regarding language. So different types of language spoken in India in different parts of India. And after that, festival celebrated. We have different types of festival in India. In India, we celebrate many festivals. Main festivals are Diwali, Dashera, Holi, Eid, Christmas Day, and Guru Parab. So these are the main festival, and many more festivals are there in India that is celebrated by different religion. So we have different festivals celebrated. Clothes worn, my dear student, clothes worn, it is totally depend on the geographical condition of India. The geographical condition of India decides that which type of dress will be wear on which part of land, on which state. Just for example, when we talk about J&K, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, so in this region too much cold is there. So the people of this state, they wear warm and woolen clothes. And we talk about the northern plains. In northern plains, people wear different types of cloth because this part of land enjoy all type season. In summer time, when we talk about summer, cotton clothes, and then after in winter, woolen clothes, and when we talk about rainy season, they wear raincoats, etc. So clothes worn is decided by the geographical condition of India and food eaten, and it is also governed from which type of food item will be there in which state, in which part of India. It is totally depend on geographical condition, which type of crop mainly they grow. Same food item will be there as geographical condition of that part of land. So while one hand the northeastern states and Kerala are green throughout the year, while on one hand northeastern states and Kerala are green throughout the year. Yes, student, this part of land of India are green throughout the year. When we talk about the other places in India which is differ from this region, so the name is Rajasthan. Besides, there are places, the desert in Rajasthan, that remains very hot and receive very less rainfall throughout the year. So it is also the part of India but have different landform. We see great diversity among the people. When we talk about the people, how they are diverse, so we take our people speak different languages, wear different clothes, eat different types of food, and celebrate different festivals. It is these are also these are already discussed about. And my dear student, having all these diversity of land and many more diversities are there in India, having all the diversity, we all are unite. So it is called India have the characteristics of unity in diversity. Unity in diversity. We have different types of diversity, but we all are one, that is Indian. We all are Indian. And next thing is, my dear student, When we talk about India in different aspect, so it is important to know about the our neighbor. When we when in our daily life we where we live, we try to know about all our neighbors which are by which we are surrounding. So India is also shares its border with different states. In that states, dear student, you can see here I draw the direction: north, west, east, south. East, west, north and south. By this we will see the direction and the country which shares its border with India. When we talk about northwest, in northwest two states are there: Pakistan and Afghanistan. Pakistan and Afghanistan share its border from northwest. And when we talk about north, Nepal and China is there to share its boundary. And when we talk about east side, in the east of India, Bangladesh and Myanmar is there to share its border. And in last, when we talk about the south direction of India, Sri Lanka and Maldives are there to share its border. So the it, these are the country which share its border with India in different direction. So these countries are called our neighbors. Yes, student, it's all about our today's class. Two things I always remind you. First one is purchase your book as soon as possible for your study, and other thing is do comment in comment box. It is taken as your attendance. You have to write your name, class and section in the comment box. So I wish you have a I wish you a great day.